So after mo mag-create ng account, mag-sign up and mag-create ng account dito sa e-estate, kailangan mong i-verify yung account mo. Meron tayong KYC, Know Your Customer. So pwede mong gamitin yung driver's license mo or passport to verify your account. So ngayon, gagamitin ko is my driver's license. So, yan, log in ka lang ulit sa account mo. So, sign in lang ako. Sign in. Yan, so pag nag-sign in ka na, click mo lang yung menu button, yung hamburger menu button sa taas. Top right hand side. Tapos click mo yung name mo. May drop down arrow. Tapos click mo yung settings. Eh, lalabas dito kung hindi ka pa verified, nakalagay dito na naka-red siya, no? Nakalagay na unverified na yung account. So, complete verification. So, click natin to complete verification. Nakalagay dito, upload a profile picture to personalize your account. So, click natin to para mag-upload ng picture. Ayan. Nandiyan na yung picture ko. Now, click natin tong arrow to verify. So, yun, mag-open to window na to. Tapos, click mo lang yung start verification. Verification for e-estate. You're about to submit sensitive data to e-estate. If you receive this link from a suspicious source, please close this page and notify us immediately. So, click mo lang yung continue. Ayan. Basahin mo lang yung consent and then agree and continue. Ayan. So, let's get you verified. Follow the simple steps below. Step 1, provide identity document. Ayan, pwede kung gamitin yung driver's license. And step 2, perform a liveness check. Click mo yung start verification. Ayun, may ma-receive kang email na code. So, open mo yung email mo to start the verification. Nakalagay dito, Samsung support team. No? Makukuha mo yung verification sa email mo. So, enter mo lang yun. Okay. Tapos click mo, not now. Ayan, so step 1, select type and issuing country of your identity document. Since nandito ako sa US, yan, okay na yung US. Pero may drop down naman, depende kung nasan ka na. Sa United States, ang gagamitin kong document type is driver's license. So dito, pwede mong gamitin yung ID card, passport, residence permit, or driver's license. So ang gagamitin ko is yung driver's license ko. Then click continue. Ngayon, titignan natin yung picture ng driver's license. So, ano ko na yung picture? Front side. Take photo. Use photo. And then yung back side. Click mo yung back side. Take photo. Then use photo. Ayan, na-upload na siya, no? Then click continue. Ito, get your camera ready. Then, find a well-lit place. Make sure maliwanag yung lugar mo. Ensure your face is within the frame. Don't wear hats, glasses, and mask. So, since naka-hat ako and glasses, tatanggalin ko muna siya, na. Then click continue. Yan. Some sub would like to access the camera. Click mo lang yung allow. Yan. Ikot-ikot mo lang yung face mo hanggang sa mabuo mo yung grid. Yan. Yan. You're all set verifying your data. Yan. Your profile has been verified. So yun, ganun lang kadali mag-verify ng account dito sa e-estate. Kailangan mo lang ng ID card, pwedeng passport, pwedeng ID card, residence permit, or yung driver's license mo. And then, just follow the instruction. So yun, ganun lang mag-verify ng account dito sa e-estate. Kung wala ka pa account dito sa e-estate, gawa ka na ng account using my link. Yan, lagay ko sa description ng video na to. Or kunin mo yung link ng nag-share sa'yo ng video na to. Thank you for watching this Reynold. See you sa mga susunod na video. Bye-bye!